Hello everyone, I'm back, and today we'll be playing what I can... The deck's called Bird for Brains, but I just call it the average Citron deck. It's pretty much just turn one Galactic Cactus into just Citron spam, playing defensive cards, and I had to re-record this video because the last time my voice was was too low, so, and you guys couldn't hear me very well, so. This guy gonna play the game? Yes, he will. Okay, there's nothing really to talk about here because he's just kind of doing nothing. I was thinking of putting up some Reflourish videos, or like making some. That game is quite good. If you guys want to see some Reflourished, just comment down below. In fact, just comment what you guys want me to play, because I actually don't know what you guys want me to play aside from PvZHeroes, like some other games that you guys watch. Like, I don't know what else to upload other than PvZHeroes, because again, I don't know what you all want to play, so comment below, what do you all guys want me to see? I'm gonna move that to a spikeweed. I am taking hella damage. I should stop.
Bruh.
Oh, get out. Shamrock at the 4, cost 4/4, do nothing. Okay, why'd you just throw that away? Kind of a bad play, my guy.
Meanwhile,
Shamrock at the 4, cost 4/4, do nothing. I entered that $500 PvZHeroes tournament, so I'll probably upload some of that once that starts to roll around. I know I didn't quite upload, I only uploaded one round last tournament, so I'll try and do better this time. Why'd you do that? Does he not understand how invincibility works? I think that was his first time seeing the invincibility power. The root shield. Oh, I've gotten this card like 2 times today. It would be great if we could stop that. Oh, thank you so much. Banana Bomb's so good here.
Nice throw!
Oh, he can actually chop that now. Oh no, I misplayed, huh? Okay. Okay, thank gosh. He doesn't have it. I think we just win right here. Cheese cutter. I could have turned one, not signaled, but it was just better to do the Galactic Cactus.
What do you mean by that?
Okay, he's trying to have fun in my PvZHeroes. I'm not having any of it. I'm to sit here idly until I can get my expensive cards down. Okay, well, see you later. This man's going. Do I want to play this in the water? No, Brain Freeze has like every single amphibious zombie. Literally access to every single one of them. Oh. I'm gonna find out what's in here because I'm kind of scared actually. Oh, that's... okay. Ooh. Yes, please. I'm gonna put this here. Just because I don't want that chicken to activate. Yeah, exactly. Okay, cool. He's never gonna play Botanist and then gonna get the chicken into lane 2. That's never happening. Okay. I was just spooked for a moment that was gonna happen. Also, I'm taking no chances now that I know what your game is.
God fucking
Okay,
damn it!
fine. There is no way this man's gonna actually break through. Okay, fine. Just gonna still do a bonus attack. Okay, there we go. Zomba would be kind of terrible here. But you know what they say about Zomba, the turn you play is the turn you lose. I actually don't want him to frenzy Yeah, that's fine. Why did I play it behind the walnut? Good block. Okay, well, you know, I actually don't want him to replay this in case he somehow lives this turn. Okay, well, he does live this turn, so I'm in a bad position. I've got no win condition. Oh god. Here we go. Thick Shrek 69. Oh, the names you see on this place sometimes. I don't want that. I do want that actually. Yikes, I've thrown the game. Okay, backup dancers. Also, if you have a name like that, you probably have every card in the game, so I'm expecting a folk deck. Okay, so how am I gonna deal with him doing nothing? Oh, okay. Do I want to be taking one bullseye every turn?
No.
I don't think there's anything else off the top of my head that's worth hot dating. I wouldn't really want to date most of the zombies anyway, but you know. Can this man commit something? I'm not having the greatest, this deck. I don't think it's the greatest deck ever. I think, what's that one off the Citron deck? I've forgotten the name of it. I'll put it up on screen. But that one, like Amphibious Beans Citron deck. Like this one, you just kind of brick and you lose. Ooh. You hate to see it. I mean, well, actually, you love to see it. Okay, this person's probably playing some hard pile. Alright, time for the banana spam. I don't know what that is, and I can't deal with it. You know, I'm actually gonna play defensively here. Oh, it might be Dance Off, the dancing mech. I feel like this deck kind of draws well 50% of the time. I feel like if I was playing any other Citron deck with like more reliable 2-drops, I could just kind of do more, you know? Okay, that's bad. For him. It's fine. Shamrock at the forecast 4-4, do nothing.
Die!
We still have no way to win. Okay, that's fine. That should be a way to win. What's he gonna get? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Oh, that's kind of... What am I gonna get? Oh, that's good. I'll take it. No. Oh, thank goodness. I thought I was up the duff. Oh, I'm gonna put Shamrock that. In the forecast 4-4. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna violet this. Wait, I should have. I shouldn't have. I should have. Captain Combustible lane 3 because if he has a Wrath, this power should just win me the game. I'll take it.
Bye, have a great time.
Alright, well. Boogaloo. I don't get anything good. Goodbye.
I'll be back.
Again, okay, well, that just died for free, I guess. Yeah, I'm honestly scared of what's in that egg, so I don't want him to get something good. Be that way, game. Be that way. You know what? I've actually got nothing else to do. Again, this deck just doesn't draw cards. And I can't win. I have to do this first. Then I'll shrink in Violet. Yeah, I'm gonna delete that instantly. There's not a whole lot to say because these people are just doing nothing. I hate being in bronze. Okay, that's something.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not sure what the plan is there. Starch Lord is the only way I can win. If you don't give me a soul patch, then we lose. Listen, I want to put more commentary over these videos, but I really can't. Watched up to this part of the video, then I appreciate it. Just like and subscribe and watch some of my other videos. Leave a comment as well. What do you want to see me play? Because I honestly don't know at this point. Blob? No, he's gonna play Valkyrie cards. Oh boy, here we go. Oh boy, here we go. Fantastic. Fine. Alright, so Volk is at +4. I think I'm actually gonna play that next turn. Because I don't want him to fruitcake it. If he rockets it, then that's just unfortunate, but I don't want him to like fruitcake it or do some weird bungee combo into it. It has to be a cheap card. Okay, that's fine. That's 5 now. I do have to start playing cards though because I'm bricked. He's gonna Bad Moon Rising. Ooh, that's really good. Thank you very much. You know what, I'm gonna play that just to play around Bad Moon Rising. Okay, that card's dead. That's fine. Okay, easy enough. Oh, that's a Rodeo Gog. Okay. I'm gonna play around Infinite Removal and that card being something crap. Another Rodeo? What the hell? Why has he got another Rodeo? Dude, imagine getting 2 oh, okay. Why isn't he going for the win, though? I feel like he should be going for the win. Does he not have anything else to deal with amphibious cards? Oh no, the Violet tech. The Violet tech. This is so sad. And I actually think I win off here. The bounce comes in clutch, I guess. Thanks for watching the video. You know, subscribe and like, all that good stuff. See you next time.